one thing I really want to do,
Mm.
I want to do like 15-minute timed, no more than 15 minutes, beginning to end, draw up a building, document it, plan sections, new types from scratch, library elements, just how far can you get, right? An experienced Revit dude, he can get up a set of drawings in half an hour, right?
Yeah.
Same, and we should achieve the exact same thing. And the question is it easy? Is it painful? Is it like weird, the workflow? Like which bits are buggy? Can you actually achieve that now?
Let's
And I
try.
think,
Let's try.
yeah, all right,
I'm
let's do
game.
it. Start. Okay, let's start the clock. It's 5:15 now. Let's see how far we get. So blank project, quick create wall type, changing this. You're recording this, right?
Yeah, I'll publish this on YouTube if
Oh,
it works as
scary.
we expect.
Yeah. So generic wall. So this is already an annoying thing. I can't change the description here, right? That's
Yeah.
already silly.
It
So
was
that's a one
possible.
bug.
What are you saying? It was possible. You fixed that.
Nah, can't do it. I have to go over here and then change it here.
You added that feature. You have an old version or what?
I don't have an old version. Okay, so I'm going to draw my apartment building. So how this? Okay. Oh, I have a really long apartment, 13 meters long. Let's say 10 is probably a bit more accurate. And then let's change the length of this here to be a 300. And let's make that concrete. Rename that. Can I rename it here? Yeah, so RC, yep, reinforced concrete, let's say. Oh, I'm using Revit hotkeys now. I got to turn on my BIM tools, otherwise they don't join that. Okay, this is my apartment building, something like that. And then I assume there's a 8 meter, so therefore this should only go down 11. That one, oops. 11, that's not too bad. Yeah, so draw. Now I want another type of wall. I've never done this, so I don't know how easy or hard it's going to be. Create wall type. So Gen 150 wall. So this will be our main walls. Yeah, vertical layers.
Vertical.
Oh, good. It's defaulting to the right thing. Yeah.
Oh, that's good actually, yeah.
Yeah, it didn't used to do that. I think that was something I added recently. Okay, so we're going to draw. Let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 4 meters from my living room. So this is obviously crazily, I don't know what I was thinking when I made that 10 meters long. And then I'm going to, ooh, that's interesting snapping. See what the snapping that's going on?
Yeah.
So I'll snap that.
Any reason you
Then,
chose movable walls?
yeah, I made a mistake. There's a corridor here. So let's say 1 meter corridor. Yeah. Yeah. And then there's a bedroom over here. 1.5. Go over there. Yeah. What's that distance? That's 2.9. So I need that to be 0.1 to be legal.
By the way, you don't have the screencast keys turned on for some reason again.
It's not on by default. I got to turn it on. Yeah, I'm 4 minutes in, right? Not too shabby. I've got a floor plan going up. Like you couldn't do that before that quickly.
No.
So I'm pretty happy about that. So that's pretty good. There's laundry and stuff in here. So actually, okay, I'm not going to make this so accurately. I'm just going to see this. This is definitely one bug to fix. This snapping is like really weirded out. So let's say 1.8. Join. This will be my bathroom. There's actually another bathroom in here, so we'll duplicate that over here. 1.8. Say 2.4. Can I split that wall? How easy is it for me to split?
It was a function for that, yeah.
Yeah, split at the cursor's location. Shift K. Cool. All right. So that one, say 1.8. Cool. All right. Because this is how an architect would do things, right? They would just kind of, okay, this is a real terrible layout, but that's good enough. This is actually not quite the layout of my house, but you know, let's do a bit of make believe. 1.5 in. Let's do 1 in. That's more believable. Switch back to my generic wall 3. See, I can't snap to the intersection, which is see, I got this like angle there, like some pinchal mistake. 1, and then there. Something like that, right? And then this one I want to align. So let's use the align tool there. Which one is the align tool? Like that? That one? Yeah, cool. Looking good, right? Look at that. Okay, let's get some doors in. Quick create doors. See, Gen 150. That's, see, it's remembered it, which is both good and bad, I guess. See, I can't change the description. It still calls it a generic. Let's see. I got my door in there. I can't see my doors. And snap. There we go. Snap. Sure, why not put one here? And then this is a very common task, right? You want this door to be exactly such and such from the edge, like 1.15 in, you know? That's a very common task. So you can do all that. I can't see my door swings, which is annoying. Can't really see my doors either. Let's save this. Let's add a slab. Quick create slab. Still remembered that. Yeah. So say, let's say 250 slab or 200 slab. 200 slab. Oh, look at that. Doesn't quite line up.
The architects, the architects, you know.
Yeah, that's an architectural feature. Yeah, you know what? It actually does that at my place. Like I think it has like a blade. Like believe it or not, it's actually got like a blade well here. It sticks out like that, or like maybe a bit more like that, and it's like something like that. Like that's a feature. That's how it works. Like that's actually the place I live in.
Yeah. You built your house yourself, or you
No,
just bought it?
I have
You
no
moved.
money. Yeah, so that's what it's like. And then that's my balcony, right? And it's got a railing. Let's check out the railing tool. Ho, 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 ho. Quick create railing type. Yeah, sure. Go do that. It's going to call everything Gen 150, which is really starting to annoy me. So, ooh,
That's good.
interesting.
I like when you get annoyed because then you improve things. So I'm all for it.
Yeah, so that's one set of railings, which is really terrible. Look at that railing. This is not the right type of railing for my balcony. And then let's say we inset 100 in or something like that. But that's actually not too bad, hey. Okay, I've got these massive, you know, balcony sliding doors here and here and here. So let's see if I can create, actually, let's change the railing type to be more accurate. frameless wall-mounted handrail. That's it? I've only got my 2 options. What about like? That's not the one I want. What? No. There was definitely like that third option. You know, like your stereotypical kids railing you draw, top and then down, 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 all those balusters.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, really? Those are the only 3 options? Are there any errors? Well, those are boring warnings. Huh. Really? And then here, use manual supports. What does that do? This automatic supports. Oh, that's right. Yeah, the support's added there. Oh, I guess we don't have that type of railing. Okay, that's annoying. All right, so we got to add that feature. If I can't draw my house, it's not good enough, is it? Okay.
Not this time. This is just the
Not this
first
time.
attempt. So
And not too bad. And I still haven't hit any errors so far. Okay, so yeah, my door over here. And then parametric door, single swing, no, sliding, double door sliding, perfect. That's exactly what I have. So actually I've got like a triple door sliding, but we're going to pretend I only have a double door sliding. So let's say something like that. 1.8 is probably a little bit more realistic. I thought I could do, that's interesting. When you add it, you can't, look at that. It has no transparency while you're adding it. You have to add it in afterwards. That's annoying, isn't it? So many annoying things we're finding. And then we want aluminium, like bronzed. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, we got our aluminium. We'll make that our bronzish color, and our glazing, we'll make that our glass color. And then now I can soot those 2 materials. Wow, look at that. It's my sliding door.
nice.
Oh, we can't get into my hallway. Actually, this is fun because I actually don't have a door here. I haven't drawn this quite right. There are cupboards and stuff, but that's fine. We'll take some shortcuts this first time around. There is actually a door-shaped opening in here. So I'm going to use the new opening tool.
How many minutes left you have?
2 minutes. Doing pretty well.
Okay.
So we'll make a generic opening type. That's fine. Feature element opening. Yes, that is an opening into the wall as an extruded solid. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. So that is our opening. And we are going to change that to be, I haven't got my hotkey set up. Okay. 0.82. And then the extrusion. Oh, can I not change the extrusion height? Oh, I can. It's just over here. 2.1. Yeah, cool. And then on the floor. And then we just shift it slightly there. And I'll just whack it somewhere in the middle point. And yeah, there we go. We have our opening in there. And that's sort of what my house is like. And now let's create some drawings for the last few minutes.
Last minute, you mean?
Last minute, yeah, correct. Yeah, so we'll just whoop, make that 20, 20. Look at that. Drawing created. Doesn't view it. What is that? Yeah, oh, it's got. Okay, I haven't got this set up on my computer. I've got like some bad defaults, but yeah, I need to set my drawing viewer. So let's do that. Okay, I think I'm done here. I'm just going to view it properly just to see what I've got. Not drawing. Is it command path? Maybe layout SVG. Layout SVG command. I think.
I have no idea. Sorry, don't use drawings at all. So.
Maybe it's that. Yes, cool. So that's my drawing. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's pretty good for like
All right.
15 minutes of work.
So
Like that's
what was the intention? What was your intention? What did you try to do? And what are you going to try to do again in the future to reiterate this and what to try to achieve in 15 minutes in the future? What's the goal?
yeah. I guess the first goal is if you can't draw in 15 minutes a simple floor plan like this, you failed. So we didn't fail. We did pretty well actually. You know, after 5 years of development, you can actually do this in 15 minutes. And if you think about it, if you want to sell your house, right, and you actually pay people to go and model this up for you, and if you just toss in some furniture right now, like a bed and a whatever, and we have that all built in. So if I just kind of search here, double bed, toilet, bath. Oh, I don't have toilet, bathtub, sink. Oh, there's a wardrobe at least. I'll use that. Sofa, television. Do I have any? Like we don't have those. So that's another issue, right? Which we got to fix. People expect that
Mm-hmm.
you can just go click, click, click. There's a wardrobe in here somewhere. Another wardrobe in here. This is what people expect. And look, I'm not going to do it now because
Mm-hmm.
we're already past time. But this is, and then the next step is that you should also be able to get some square meterage, right? And then that's enough to sell your house pretty
Dimensions and
much.
other stuff. Yeah.
Not even dimensions, like
Yeah.
just
Square
areas.
meters are important. Yeah.
And that's enough to sell your house. If you just say that's a 4x4 bedroom,
Mm-hmm.
3x3 bedroom, that's enough to sell your house. So that's pretty
Okay.
good. And we
Yeah.
didn't encounter any bugs while doing
Mm.
that. I mean, there was like usability things which could have been improved and
Yeah.
will be.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And yeah, let's try to do this again in 1 month or something like that and see how if something changes until then.
Yeah. Look, it might not be a 15-minute thing. It might be how much can you do in half an hour, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Because it like no matter what, it does take time to create drawings,
Of course, of course, of course.
right?
Mm-hmm.
The question is, I think this is pretty pain-free, to be honest. That
Mm-hmm.
what I just did just now. But
It's very promising. I agree.
yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, man. Have a
All
nice
right.
afternoon and we stay in touch.
Cool. Have a good one. See ya. Bye.
Bye. Bye, dear.